Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. Don't you dislike putting on your screen protector and getting so many air bubbles? I really do, but I'll be showing you today how you can avoid that. Elite Screen Protector has made everything so much easier. First of all, they provide you with all the cleaning items you need before applying the protector. And something I loved and I had never used before, it's this easy apply tray. You literally lay your phone on top of it. You get the screen protector, you peel away the protective backing, you place it over the apply tray, you gently press down and then detach the top layer, and that is it, guys. This is amazing. There's no bubbles. It's so easy to apply and it looks beautiful and it has that same original feeling. It's smooth and it is amazing. This ZAGG Invisible Shield is so practical. I promise you're gonna love it. And that is my point of view.